Hi, my name is Josh Evilsizor, and today I'm going to show you how to hide the unread email count displayed in your browser tab. Are you watching the right video? Well, if you're interested in hiding the unread email counter nestled in your browser tab, that teeny tiny icon screaming at you to open your inbox and completely hijacking your workflow, if you want to learn how to hide that, then yes, you're watching the right video. Quickly, some clarifications and redirects. Josh, to be clear, what are you talking about? These guys. So Alt-Tab is going to bring up there we go, this inbox. These guys right here. So this icon, or this counter rather, and then this icon, which has a counter in it. This is what we're talking about. All right. So Gmail unread messages icon and counter. How do you hide them? So we're going to do two things. We're going to disable the icon and we're going to hide the counter. And let's do that now. All right, we're in our inbox and we have 69 unread email messages beckoning us to open our inbox, and we don't want that happening. So we're going to go ahead and go to Settings, Advanced, and then scroll all the way down to the unread messages. I'm trying to make this easy to read. Unread messages icon right there. Over here, we're going to disable it. And when I click Save Changes, you're going to see this little swirling happening up here. It's gone. Dun, dun, dun. All right, and the second thing we're going to do is hide the counter. This is super, super hard, so stay with me here. Are you ready? Okay, so you see my pointer over the browser tab. I'm going to right-click, pin. That was it. While we're here, I want to show you a neat trick. So this is settings. This is Chrome settings right here that we're in. And we're looking at the startup settings over here. So on startup, it's asking me, what do you want your browser to do? So when you turn on your computer and you hit the browser launch button, what do you want to see? No matter what I have selected here, no matter what, when I launch Chrome, any browser tabs that are pinned, like the ones you see up here, all pinned, any browser tabs that are pinned will be launched with Chrome. Chrome will open with them pinned. So basically, not the way you left it, because your settings may vary over here, but ultimately, any tabs that you have pinned, when you close Chrome, when you go to open it, they're going to open pinned again. I say this because if you want to open your browser in the morning in a way that it serves you, I would submit that not looking at your inbox first or seeing the counter up here, I would say neither of those serve you. What serves me is my task manager and my calendar, both being ready for me when I launch my browser in the morning. And as you can see here, of course, as we've just demonstrated, when your Gmail is pinned, you don't see the unread count, which you can see the preview right there. So when I close my browser, again, no matter what your settings are over here, when I close my browser, when I open it back up, sorry, my face is in the way again, right where we left off with any browser tabs that were pinned. So there you go. Fun fact. All right, back to the regularly scheduled programming here. Fun fact covered. Hiding your unread email count. Why would you do this? To avoid the siren song of your inbox. Josh, what the heck are you talking about again? Well, the siren song of your inbox is referring to these sirens, which are from Greek mythology, also found in Homer's epic poem, The Odyssey. These were alluring creatures that inhabited an island near Capri, and from the outcropping of this island, the sirens sang enchanting songs. And these songs were so irresistible that they lured in passing ships, drawing them into the shore and causing them to crash their ships on the rocks. These songs were so enchanting, the ship captains had to plug their ears with wax or lash themselves to the mast. This was the only way they could resist. Any that relied on their own willpower were lured in the rocks, shipwrecked, and drowned. This is your unread email message counter. Your inbox is just destructive as these sirens. Although your inbox isn't as enchanting a creature, isn't an enchanting creature singing an irresistible song, the allure is just as strong. your willpower is equally as futile. Once you glimpse the unblinking eye of your unread email message count, once you glimpse all the email beckoning to be opened, just like all the ancient mariners, your productivity is doomed to the rocks. So when your productivity must not be hijacked, avoid the siren song, pin your tab to hide the unread email count. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget, lots of link goodness in the video description down below. If you like this, please subscribe or share it with somebody that could use this help. And as always, if you leave questions, I will leave answers. Now please go and be productive.